The overall goal of this method is to quantify the dynamic mechanical stiffness and buildup of drying stresses in ex vivo samples of human stratum corneum after different chemical treatments.
This method can help answer key questions in the biomechanics and cosmetic science fields, such as how the composition of the stratum corneum or treatment of the skin tissue with personal care products can influence its mechanical properties and dynamic drying behavior.
The main advantage of this technique is that it offers a more rapid alternative to other mechanical assessment methods, requires significantly less skin tissue, and provides more physiologically relevant drying by preventing evaporation from the sample underside.
To prepare elastomer-coated cover slips, first mix Silgard 184 curing agent with base solids at a base-to-curing agent ratio of 55:1 until it is homogeneous. 6 grams in total are needed. Next, degas the solution. Then use the solution to coat the cover slips on a spin coater. Using a wide-bore pipette, drop 1 milliliter of the mixture centrally on a cover slip. Then spin coat the cover slip at 2000 RPM for 60 seconds. Make 5 or 6 coated cover slips in this manner. To cure the cover slips, keep them in a 60°C oven for 12 hours. The next day, measure the elastomer film's thicknesses. Use a razor blade to lift one edge of the elastomer film off the cover slip.